Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you that the device comes with a protective case inside the box. So let's just first open the box here. Here in this box, unfortunately, we have no just protective case, but also we have the keyboard, the separately just box with the smart keyboard here. And now let's just open this box, and we can see that we can use our smart keyboard like the protective case. So let's just try to do this. So by this way we can use the keyboard like protective case. So yeah, we can say that our device comes together with the protective case. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.